Hello! In this video, we will show you how to set up your Nescafe Dolcegusto Piccolo. First, plug in Piccolo. Check that the lever is on the stop position. Switch on the machine. While Piccolo warms up, the power button blinks red for about 40 seconds. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. To save energy, Piccolo turns off after 5 minutes of not being used. First, remove the water tank. Rinse it with drinking water. Then, fill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can still rinse Piccolo. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Move the lever to the cold position. Piccolo will start rinsing. Wait until the water tank is half empty. Then, move the lever back to the stop position to stop the flow. Once the water flow has stopped, the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. When the power button turns green, move the lever to the hot position. Wait until the water tank has emptied. Then, move the lever back to the stop position to stop the flow. Once the water flow has stopped, the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Reinsert the capsule holder. Put the drip tray back. You can adjust it. There's a low position for large cups, a middle position for medium cups, and a high position for small cups. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Piccolo.